What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about critical points, interval of increase, interval of decrease, and local minimum and maximum. Here we have the derivative of f of x, which is x minus 1 to the power of 2 times x plus 2. So the first part of the question says, what are the critical points of f? You know, critical points are those points that make the derivative of f equals to 0. So we have f prime x already, is x minus 1 to the power of 2 times x plus 2 equals to 0. So we have two values for that, one of them negative 2, one of them is plus 1. So these are the critical points. Then it says on what interval is f increasing or decreasing. F is increasing whenever the derivative of f is positive, and f is decreasing whenever f prime is negative. So how do we figure out? We're going to have a table of values. You have x minus 1 squared, x plus 2, and the multiplication is going to be f prime. The two zeros is going to be negative 2 and plus 1, which divides the whole range in 3 regions. One of the regions is going to be from negative infinity to negative 2, one from negative 2 to positive 1, and one from positive 1 to infinity. So in each region we're going to have the same sign. If it's positive, it's going to be positive in all the values, or here or here. So let's assume a number in each region. From negative infinity to negative 2, let's assume negative 3. From negative 2 to 1, let's assume 0. And from 1 to infinity, let's assume 2. Now if we sub it there, it's going to be positive, because anything to the power of 2 is positive. Same thing here, same thing here. Negative 3 plus 2 is going to be negative, 0 plus 2 is going to be positive, 2 plus 2 is going to be positive as well. So then, positive times negative, negative, positive times positive, positive, positive times positive is positive as well. So these are going to be the interval of increase or decrease. We can say from negative infinity to negative 2, f is decreasing. Why? Because f prime is negative. From negative 2 to positive 1, f is increasing because f prime is positive. And then from positive 1 to infinity, f is increasing because f prime is positive. So now at negative 2, it is decreasing on the left hand side and it's increasing on the right hand side. So we are dealing with a local minimum at x equals to negative 2. And here, positive 1, the left hand side is increasing, the right hand side is increasing as well. So it means that we don't really have maximum or minimum. So for this function, at this range is going to be just a local minimum. We just have a local minimum, which is going to be at x equals to negative 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in description in case you need extra practice questions. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding calculus, physics, and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.